3 renovations that will not increase the value of your property. I'm Debbie with Buell Realty in beautiful Westminster, Colorado. It's one thing to make renovations to a home with the goal of making it more enjoyable or comfortable for you and your family, and quite another to make these renovations solely to boost the home's value. It's the latter we want to take a look at today. In fact, 3 renovations are only goofs if you made them thinking you'll get your money back when you sell the property. Converting the garage, a small home with a growing family, bulging at the seams, and rather than sell the home, many homeowners turn their garage into a bedroom. Big mistake, says George Holmes of Eagle Appraisal in Las Vegas. Your home's value will take a hit. In fact, he says that a tract home may lose up to $10,000 in value, but cautions that it's not cut and dry, however. Garages are a hot button for buyers, not only as car refuge from the elements, but for storage as well. In fact, 86% of home buyers surveyed for Modeling Magazine Cost versus Value report. The report says that they want a garage for their storage space. Another one is the swimming pool. Installing a swimming pool because you want one, not because you think it will increase your home's value, because it won't. The tens of thousands of dollars it takes to install the pool, unless you live in an area where pools are in demand, say Phoenix or Las Vegas. You won't see a return when you sell your home. And they'll say if you live in Maine, swimming pools aren't in demand, aren't in an area with year-round swimming weather. In regions with short summers, a pool represents nothing more than a maintenance headache to the home buyers. Bedroom conversions. If you must convert a bedroom into a home office or a workout room or anything else, make sure that you can undo the conversion before putting your house on the market. Permanently converted bedroom will decrease your home's value. After all, 3-bedroom homes typically cost more than homes with only 2 bedrooms. Their appraisal will knock down the value of your home accordingly. Considering which renovation or repair projects will add value to the home, put your money into upgrades into the home's major systems, if they're needed, or into updating the kitchen or the bathrooms. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And as always, like and subscribe as we add new content weekly.